journey of 1,000 miles starts with a small step and the first step, and that was the same thing with Citrin Cooperman India. In 2014, when we started our firm, we had just about 12 people in our office. As of now, we have 65 strong, smart professionals. We are a great team, not just because we work together. We are a great team because we care, we trust, and we respect each other.
Our aim is to provide constructive support to all our US offices to bring maximization of efficiency and ultimately the client satisfaction.
Our services include bank reconciliations, credit card coding, payroll and invoice processing, preparation of customized financial statements, royalty accounting.
A lot of types of tax returns we do individuals, which also include high net worth individuals. Then we do partnerships, then S Corps, C Corps, then we do foreign corporations.
IT infrastructure is the heart of any satellite office.
Our offices is connected with US offices with a virtual private network, which is also called as VPN, and which is considered as the most secure network for the data transfer.
Our employees can access to the client data only when they are working in the office premise. We work on the same technology and same softwares as our US offices use. Our networks are connected with high-speed internet lease line, which provides seamless work experience to both sides of the office. We are very well connected with all our US offices with various communication channels. Apart from regular emails, we have IP phones, Polycoms, Link. With these many easy-to-use communication channels, we never feel that we are talking to a person sitting 8,000 miles away. While working with India people can work on the client work while US people can focus on the clients. So it's a win-win situation and we can focus on what counts.
The exchange programs are amazing. We have people coming over from US, which is wonderful in terms of the knowledge that they share, the trainings that they give to people here.
Going to the New Jersey office through the Employee Exchange program was a great experience for me. I was able to meet highly experienced and skilled individuals who helped me enhance my knowledge about the industry.
It was one of the great opportunities to work with people in person with whom I used to work remotely from India.
It gave me a great exposure to working with highly experienced people in Bethesda office.
It is not difficult to get people. It is always difficult to get the right people. To ensure that we get the right people, candidates have to go through eye of the needle.
We are always eager to hire an employee who contributes to the success of the firm. A team of experts, they collaborate together to conduct an interview. And if found suitable, we go for the very detailed background check of the candidate. And if the background check and everything else is okay for the candidate, a final interview is being done by the partner in charge. And if the candidate is found suitable, then after a job is being offered at Citrin Cooperman India. We have the same evaluation and the appraisal process for all Citrin Cooperman offices, and our employees get evaluated from US offices as well.
Every new employee who's joining, they get a buddy for themselves. When they come the first day, they are introduced to each and every employee in the office. We tell them where is what in terms of everything.
Citrin Cooperman has a very positive environment. Communication and relationship building for me has been very smooth, and people here are very inclusive.
Once the job is offered, there is an onboarding program at Citrin Cooperman India to make sure that the candidate is very much comfortable from its first day itself.
It definitely helps employees in acclimating to the new corporate culture.
I do take active part in the training to prepare the training modules, to deliver them to the staff members, and that is training, I would say. I feel that it is not just a technical thing. I believe it's on the soft skill as well.
We have picnic celebrations, we have lunches, dinners that we organize outside office. In the office, we would have quizzes, which are related to tax and A&A. That way, they get fun and they get to learn a lot out of it. We celebrate birthdays every month.
So when I asked them, why do you like working at Citrin Cooperman?
good work exposure and great working environment.
The work-life balance,
Employee exchange program.
positive organizational culture it has.
Favorable growth opportunities.
Employees are appreciated for their hard work.
Because they believe in providing equal opportunities and empowering women.
Sit in Kupum in India is all about leadership, professionalism, and growth.